Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever found yourself scrambling for the perfect pedi, but don't have the time or the patience for a full salon session? Well, today I have something that could save you time and leave you looking fabulous. Kiss Gel Fantasy Collection Ready-to-Wear Fake Toenails. With a trendy pink gel nail glue, 24 stylish white smudge-proof nails, and everything you need for a perfect at-home pedicure, let's see if this DIY pedicure kit really lives up to the hype. Kiss Gel Fantasy Toenails come in a chic, classic solid color with a glossy finish, designed to give you that salon-worthy look right at home. The kit includes 24 pre-shaped toenails in various sizes, a mini nail file, cuticle stick, and of course, the pink gel nail glue that promises long-lasting hold. The nails have a smooth, ultra-gel effect that mimics a professional pedicure, all without the need for curing under a lamp. The best part? They claim to last up to 14 days. Sounds impressive for a DIY option, right? After testing this out, I can confidently say it takes literally minutes to apply. The glue is easy to work with. Just apply it to the back of each toenail, press it onto your natural nail, and hold for a few seconds. No complicated steps. I wore them through an entire day of errands and even some light exercise, and they stayed in place with no issues. I also love how the toenails feel sturdy but flexible. They're not stiff like some press-ons, which makes them more comfortable for longer wear. When it comes to removing them, it's just as easy. There's no mess, and the nails come off without damaging your natural nails, which is something I always look for in fake nail products. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the application process is quick and hassle-free, and the gel effect gives you a high-end look that's durable and chic. The glossy finish looks polished, and I love that the set includes a variety of sizes to ensure a perfect fit. For me, these nails really held up. They didn't chip, dull, or lift. They also feel lightweight, which is a nice change from heavier alternatives. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While the nails are flexible and durable, I did find that the length could be a bit limiting for those who like a more dramatic pedicure. The solid white color is classic, but if you're after something more adventurous, you might find this particular style a bit basic. And while the kit claims a 14-day wear, I noticed that after about a week, they started to show minor wear around the edges. For value, this set is reasonably priced, considering you get a complete kit with everything you need for a flawless pedicure. However, depending on how often you use them, the price per wear can add up, especially if you like changing up your nails frequently. The kit does give you the ability to mix and match with other Kiss Gel Fantasy sets, which is a nice touch for customization without buying multiple sets. If you're looking for something more affordable, there are some other press-on toenail kits out there that offer similar features but at a lower price. However, Kiss Gel Fantasy tends to stand out with its more premium gel effect finish and longer wear time. As for build quality, the nails themselves feel strong, and the included glue has a good consistency, nothing too watery or runny. The packaging is simple but functional, and everything you need is right there in the box. You won't have to run out to find extra tools. I haven't had to interact with Kiss's customer service directly, but based on their reputation, I'd expect a solid response should you have any issues. They're known for being reliable when it comes to addressing customer inquiries. To wrap it all up, if you're someone who's looking for a quick, stylish solution to your pedicure woes, Kiss Gel Fantasy Fake Toenails are a solid pick. The application is easy, they look great, and they last longer than most press-on options. It's ideal for anyone who wants a no-fuss pedi with a polished, long-lasting finish. However, if you're someone who prefers more variety in color or length, you might need to look elsewhere. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.